Hello children, how are y'all today? Y'all missed me. Oh, how sweet. I missed y'all too. Come on, today's new story. Let's get started. Far, far away, there was a huge big jungle. And in that jungle, there lived Mama Fox. And Mama Fox was living with her three children. The names of the three fox was X, Y and Z. So one day so happened Mama Fox had to go for work like your mama goes for work. So Mama Fox said, children, I have to go for work, but I want y'all to stay safe at home and do not open door for anybody. You'll have your breakfast, you'll eat, you'll can play, you'll can have fun as much as you'll want, but only y'all cannot go outside the house. So children said, yes mama, you go to work, why you worry, we all are fine. But mama said, no, 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 y'all know the rules, you know how your mama looks, you have to bend down and see the white toes. Your mama's toes are really white. And you all know the secret words. When your mama says the secret words, then only you have to open the door. Otherwise, you cannot open the door. So X, Y and Z said, oh mama, why you worry? And why you take so much tension? You go for work and don't you worry about us. So Mama Fox went for her work in the forest. So as soon as Mama Fox went for work, after some time there was a knock on the door. Knock, 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 knock. So these three babies were started wondering, who is it? So they said, who is it? So he said, hello babies, I am your mama, open the door for me. So they said, oi, big bad wolf, go away. We bent down and saw your toes. Your toes are very, very black and our mama toes are very, very white. So don't trouble us, go away and don't come and disturb us. So Big Bad Wolf said, oh my god, these children are very intelligent. What I should do? Okay, children, I am going. But next time I am going to eat you up. So Big Bad Wolf ran away. Again after some time, there was a knock on the door. Knock, 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 knock. So now the children wondered, who is it? Who is it? So the Big Bad Wolf said, hello children, I am your mama. Please open the door for me. So this time the children said, no, Big Bad Wolf, you cannot fool us because our mama has given us the secret words and secret words are tick, tack, toe. Yes, the secret words are tick, tack, toe. So Big Bad Wolf said, okay, I'm going. And again there was a knock. Knock, 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 knock. Baby said, who is it? When they went and opened the door, they did not open the door. They were like, who is it? And when they asked, somebody from outside said, oh babies, I am your mama. Open the door for me. Tick, tack, toe. So they said, hey Big Bad Wolf, though you know the secret words, you cannot get inside because our mama toes are really white and your toes are black. So Big Bad Wolf got very angry and he went away. This time he wore his thinking cap and he thought of an idea. He took some powder on his hand and he rubbed on his toes and he made his toes very, very, very white. Then he came and he knocked the door. Knock, 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 knock. So the children said, who is it? Then he said, baby fox, this is your mama. Tick, tack, toe. And the baby said, yeah, the toes are also white. secret words also are there. Then they open the door. Y'all know what happened? As soon as they opened the door, he ate X and Y. And Z ran away quickly on the fan and said, he took Y, he took Z, and he went. So while he went, so Mama Fox came after some time, and Mama Fox started searching, babies, babies, where are you? Where are my babies? So then the one fox which was hiding, he said, Mama, I am here up on the fan. Mama said, why are you up on the fan? Mama, I'm so scared. Big bad wolf had come and we did not listen to you. We opened the door and he took my brother and sister, Y and Z. Mama said, don't you worry, baby. Come to me. I know where he's gone. Let's go to bank of the river. So they go to bank of the river. They see the big bad wolf is nicely sleeping with his mouth open wide. And he was snoring very big. So Mama thought, let me think of something. So what Mama did? Since his mouth was open, Mama put his hand inside his mouth, pulled one baby out, pulled another baby out, and then she took so many pebbles. She put all the pebbles in his neck, and then they all went away from there. Went away and stood aside. After some time, Big Bad Wolf got up and said, oh my God, my tummy is so full. I am not able to walk. I ate so much food. Then he sees for his surprise, how come Big Bad Wolf, Mama and XYZ all are standing together? So they say, you think you are intelligent, but my Mama is more intelligent. And then they push the Big Bad Wolf in the river. Just because his tummy is so full, he cannot come out, he cannot swim, and he just thrown into the river. So here, what did we learn? Ramu Mama has a message for you. Ramu Mama is saying, hey children, y'all have to stay home and stay safe. You cannot open the door for anybody. You have to listen to your mamas and papas, what they say. Understood? Bye-bye.